Okay, so here we are back again with the SunJoe Wood Splitter review. There she go. My 12-year-old daughter just now cranked out some wood. Easy peasy. Okay, so as you guys know, as you guys can see, this log is way shorter than the other logs I have been split. So what you need to do in that case is we're going to put like a dummy log here. This is a log that can't be split with this SunJoe. So here's my dummy log right here. I'm gonna get this guy. A lot to do as far as clean, I'll tell you that much. So hold that just like that. Alright. So okay, so here we go. So you wanna fit that in there just like that. Alright, just like that, you want to fit that in there. So, fit that in there, that's tightly in there. And what it's going to do is going to press up against this log right here. So, first thing first, we want to clockwise tighten up, make sure that that's tight. And now we're going to take our two levers. Now always remember that this left lever, that's our braking point right here. This one right here, that's why I told Steph, you're supposed to stop with this guy, stop, hold position, and just go ahead and work that right one. Because the right one is the neutral. And you're going to work it. And we're going to work it. And we're going to work it. And now, after you get finished with that, you want to turn your release knob counterclockwise. Hear that? That wood is pressed up against there. Now you got, this is my dummy wood here. You can see that, that's the end pressure device. Set that right there. Oh, you know what? I need that. All right, so, as you can see it, better pull that guy apart. So what I'm gonna do is I have to. This is easier than using your axe and your diamond bit. To me, it's a little bit work still, but works and it's easier. One thing what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a timer and I'm gonna time how long it's gonna take me to do this with the axe. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'm gonna tighten this guy up clockwise, and as you can see down in here, see that gap right there down in there? Let's go all fill in. And look at that nice little split right here. That's a nice split. So it should split nicely. Again, I actually can get several splits off of this guy. Because it's just so big. Once you hear that snap, that means that board is split. Did you hear that? You hear that right here? Listen. Listen to that. Look at it. Mama cut a piece of pie. Look at that. So we do all the way. We're gonna go all the way. All the way. We'll stop. Release. I'm gonna sit here. Look, I got one more split right here, one more split right here, one split here, one split here, and one split on the other one. I want y'all to subscribe to my channel, and we gonna do some good things. We do some awesome things. I got another channel coming, affordable, so that's coming soon. So, but in the meantime, we at Famfirst Installation, and we dealing with the SunJoe Wood Splitter. And you can get this guy at Amazon for $140. That's all it is. That's all it is. I like to hear that clicking and that clapping in the pocket. As I hear that, I know I'm cut. I know I'm split. You hear it? Here we go. That. Wow. Wow. It was so much pressure on it that as you can see, my spacer block just blew up. Let me get that out of here. Ooh, look, that's a nice piece of wood. Let me throw that over there. That's 1 to 5. Keep that back on there. Keep that back on there. You know what I'm gonna do? This again. Alright, y'all ready? Here we go. This never happened before to me. So look at the inside of here. I'm glad it's doing this so you guys can see exactly what you go run into. That's a piece of fire. That's a nice piece of fire. We're gonna cross that up. So let's do this. Oh, here we go. Here we go. As long as you got the spacer, hey, however you do it, you do it. But don't just throw these little pieces of wood out and think, oh, I can split them because they not at least 18 to 19 inches long. You get you a piece of nice wood up in there. You put that one in the spacer. Oh, you know what? One thing I didn't do is all right, let's try this now. See, as you can see when I do it, you see it's rising down here. It's coming off of that, so. So right now I'm gonna pause the video and come right back. I gotta find a Adam spacer to go in. Okay, so we're back, and I want to use a hater block to bust this up. Now, let's see if the pressure ain't too intense that it break right through this block. Hopefully the wood is so soft that it's gonna split it open real good. Alright, so first thing first, make sure I'm locked down, kind of clockwise. Alright, this is gonna be interesting. This is gonna be interesting. We're gonna take So at this point, we want to kind of stand clear. And make sure that. So what I want to do is I want to stop right here. Actually, I want to let it out a little bit, and then I want to switch it around because it seems like it was going up. It was moving it up. So now I got it. All right, here we go. Kind of want to stand clear on this because we don't want that brick to explode. Without no cracks. Alright. It's trying to be harder to split Hoping that it split apart. It is split. Here's my next one. Hear that? Already crack like it. See, one thing you have to do, you just have to find what's going to work for you. You see how? Look at that. That's what I need to do. That's what I need to do. See, I needed all of this to be cleaned out, as you can see. See, and watch this. To do, I'm gonna put that back on the chopping block. That boy back on the block. And I know you're probably thinking, oh, why you don't have this one, this side facing down? Well, this side facing down has a little, if you can go and you can see right here, this has a little lip right here. For some reason, when it hit up against the wood, it rises the wood up. So that's what we don't want to do, because then it's gonna come right off. So guess what? Put this wood right back on here. Put it right back on here, right back at the split, and tighten it up. Find what works for you. I need that first part of it to be clear. See, it's opening up. That's what I need. See this right here? Now it's more open. So now I can get like an axe or something. We got one.